Welcome everyone on the Hard Reset Info channel. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to adjust the camera shaking effect in Battlefield 6. At first, on the top of this menu, you should press the gear icon to open the settings. Now in the Accessibility tab, you should scroll down and move to the Camera Effects. Here you can see camera shake amount. You can adjust this camera shakes when caused by explosions or some falling buildings or something like that. So you can change it to the 20 if you want to feel better as a player, or if you want to live the best experience while playing this game, then you can switch it to the maximum level. You should feel like you are on the field zone. And that would be all for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our YouTube channels to see some more content from the Battlefield 6 and other games, or some tutorials from mobile devices. Goodbye and see you again.